If you want to install fly screens to your window, you can mount the fly screen from the inside in case the window opens outward. If the window opens inward, the fly screen needs to be mounted from the outside. First, we will explain how to measure a window that opens inward. The image on the left shows the front side of the window, and the image on the right shows the back side. In this case, we measure the back side. Measure the width at 3 different points inside the window frame and take the smallest measurement. Now measure the height at 3 different points and also take the smallest measurement. We take the smallest width and height measurements to ensure that the fly screen fits even in case the window frame is a little crooked. Write down the smallest width and height measurements you have taken. In this case, 90.3 centimeters wide and 95.5 centimeters high. We recommend reducing these dimensions by 3 mm so that the fly screen can be installed in the window frame without much effort. Check if there is enough free depth within the frame. The installation depth of the fly screen is 18 mm, so it is recommended that the frame is at least 18 mm deep. If the frame depth is insufficient, you can mount the fly screen on the frame, as marked in yellow in the image. The frames of the fly screen are 35 mm wide, which means you need at least 35 mm of space on the window frame to mount the fly screen. When mounting the fly screen on the window frame, the measurements you took inside the window frame need to be increased by 2 times 35 mm in width and 2 times 35 mm in height, totaling 7 cm in width and 7 cm in height. Now let's move on to outward opening windows. For outward opening windows, installing the fly screen within the window frame is usually not possible due to the handle. In that case, we have to mount the fly screen on the frame or between walls. If the handle is slightly protruding forward, does not cause any issues, as you only use the fly screen when opening the window. If you want to place the fly screen on the window frame, you need at least 35 mm of space on the frame. In this case, measure the window opening in the same way as before. Then, increase these dimensions by 7 cm in width and 7 cm in height, as the fly screen frame is 35 mm on each side. If you want to place the screen between the walls, you can simply measure inside the walls and deduct a margin of 3 mm for the width and 3 mm for the height.